Welcome to a world where simplicity meets mastery. Today we delve into the art of using a tool called scissors. First, identify the two parts of your scissors, the blade and the handle. The blade is the sharp part that does the cutting, while the handle is where you place your fingers to control the scissors. Slide your thumb into the larger hole of the handle and your index finger into the smaller hole. The remaining fingers should rest along the handle, providing stability. Now open the scissors by pushing your thumb and index finger apart. Position your paper or material between the blades. Close the scissors by bringing your thumb and index finger together. Voila, you've made a cut. To continue cutting, simply repeat the process of opening and closing the scissors while moving them forward along your material. Remember, the key to mastering scissors lies in control and precision. And as with any tool, safety first. Never run with scissors, and always store them with the blades closed. So go ahead, unfold the magic of scissors, slice through the mundane, and create something unique.